Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 840G6 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue can stem from various causes, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or even problems with the motherboard. If left unchecked, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if necessary. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Place the laptop on a flat, static-free surface and remove any connected peripherals. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the base of the laptop. Be sure to keep track of the screws as they can be easy to lose. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the base of the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. After opening, check the battery connection. If the battery is removable, disconnect it gently by unclipping the connector. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. If the battery is not the issue, you may need to investigate the power adapter. Ensure it is working by testing it with another device if possible. If the adapter is functional, the next step is to check the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or corrosion. When replacing the battery, align it properly with the connectors and press down until it clicks into place. Reassemble the laptop by carefully aligning the base and pressing it until you hear it snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as over-tightening can damage the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your laptop is always charged properly and avoid leaving it connected to the power source for prolonged periods. Regularly check for software updates and keep your device clean from dust and debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.